Great day everyone! This is Ed's Realty Guide PH. For today's video, nandito naman ako sa Gold Residences, one of the project of SMBC dito lang sa NAIA Terminal 1. Tatawid ka lang, nandun ka na sa airport. Yun ang maganda dito sa Gold Residences. And we have many upcoming infrastructure. Tara, pag-usapan natin ang full details ng Gold Residences. Watch this video and stay tuned.
Take a glimpse at our scale model to give you an idea how it looks like after turnover. We have Reso Building, a residential/office with dual purposes, with only 300k to 500k difference in price. On our residential units, you can already own your Reso unit, the color gold in our scale model. For the building structure, as you can see, we have a complete set of amenities in each tower, including your own swimming pool, landscape garden, and viewing deck, which you can enjoy after turnover. The style you see is what makes Gold Residences unique after turnover. It SMBC always make it happen. As a bonus, we are open to Airbnb business, lifetime ownership, and we have a set of easy payment terms that buyers can avail for their future condo investments. Why Gold Residences? Very accessible across NAIA Terminal 1. Pwede mo na siyang gamitin for investment like paupahan or personal use. Mostly, laging umaalis ng bansa, tatawid ka lang, nasa airport ka na. It's really an investment here at Airport City, Parañaque. Narinig nyo na ba ang NAIA Rehabilitation na i-extend nila papuntang NAIA 3 at papagandahin? May i-connect din na monorail system and also subway station na magbibigay ng easy access papuntang airport. At ang maganda pa dito kay Gold City, ito ay first township development ni SMBC with complete set of amenities na rin that you can enjoy with office, commercial, and residential. At syempre, ito ay napakalapit sa mga nearby establishment with key point destination. Take a look with our actual unit here at Gold Residences Phase 1. As you can see, ito yung ating toilet. May kasama na siyang vanity mirror with light. Ang ganda na rin ng tiles niya. Let's proceed naman dito sa living area. Ayan yung actual deliverables unit natin. At ito naman yung bedroom area. This is the actual units to give you an idea kung anong unit yung bibilin nyo after turnover. Ayan, kinoconstruct pa siya, under construction. Malapit na rin yung turnover nito. Full swing na rin yung construction namin dito. Para magka-idea lang kayo papaano yung turnover namin. Kaya sinilip namin yung actual. At ito naman yung aming dress-up unit para alam nyo naman kung papaano nyo i-decorate yung unit nyo. Take a look with our dress-up unit. Itong dress-up unit namin ay may pre-washing machine na siya. Yung mga decoration dyan, we call it fully interior kasi super ganda nung interior niya. Ang concept nito is mix gold and white. Binagay siya sa Gold Residences concept. Nakita nyo naman yung actual deliverables namin. White na yung tiles dun sa toilet and meron na siyang vanity mirror. Ito naman sa kitchen area. Pwede nyo itong gayahin after turnover. Meron din kaming team na nag-handle ng mga fully interior unit. Kung gusto nyo ng basic furnish, meron din tayong the good home package. Meron tayong mga option. Kung gusto nyo ng basic furnish, fully interior, and makakapili pa kayo ng mga design na gusto nyo. Kung gusto nyo ng ganito, ng gold color or gray color, Scandinavian design, industrial design, or modern design, nasa sa inyo na lang. Ang maganda kasi pag naka-interior yung unit nyo, mas mahal nyo siyang mapaparentahan, mas mataas yung profit nyo. Kasi ang ganda ginastusan mo yung unit mo, so karapat dapat lang talagang taasan mo yung rental niya. Kagaya ng Airbnb na daily staycation. At ito naman yung ating one bedroom unit, dress up unit. Actually, ang pinagkaiba lang niya doon sa with balcony is balcony lang. At yung compressor niya nasa loob ng unit. Ayan. Take a look with our sample model unit for one bedroom. Maganda rin yung turnover nito. Mas upgraded na siya. Nakita nyo naman yung actual units namin. Dagdag ko pa, pag naka-interior kasi yung unit, mas mabilis mapaupahan kasi mas maganda yung unit mo, pag sinearch ng mga magre-rent, makikita nila kakaiba yung design, talagang ginastusan. So kahit na ang rental mo is mas mataas, mahihiya naman na humingi ng discount yung magre-rent. Kasi syempre yung target market mo rin dito is yung mga higher classes of people. So they can afford naman to rent this kind of unit. At ito naman, ipapakita namin sa inyo yung actual construction update, kung ano na ba ang construction update ito sa Gold Residences. As you can see naman, full swing yung construction. Kahit umulan, umaraw, talagang tuloy yung construction nito. Meron kasing budget si SMBC to construct the building, kaya no worries. As you can see naman dito sa rooftop ng building, meron kasing viewing deck yung Gold Residences. Makikita mo dito yung airport, ayan, yung NAIA Terminal 1. Kitang-kita mo yung paglanding dito ng mga eroplano. Natatanaw din dito yung BGC, yung Makati Skyline View, Mall of Asia View, Paranaque View, Cavite View. Ang ganda lang ng view dito sa taas ng Gold Residences. Kaya lahat ng rooftop ni Gold Residences building meron siyang viewing deck para ma-enjoy din ng mga titira dito kay Gold Residences. Ayan, the Gold City. First township project ito ni SMBC, meaning meron siyang commercial and offices along the vicinity na walking distance na magiging target market nyo rin in the near future kung paparentahan nyo siya ng long term. Mapa long term man yan or staycation, meron tayong target market dito kay Gold Residences.
So ayun, hopefully nagustuhan nyo yung presentation ko sa Gold Residences. If you are interested to avail a unit here in Gold Residences, we can set a Zoom presentation anytime. You can contact me from my Viber or WhatsApp, or you can click the link in my Facebook page so you can directly message to me. Meron akong naka-assign kahit madaling araw dito sa Pilipinas na pwedeng sumagot sa mga inquiries nyo. Pwede nyong i-click yung link ng Facebook page ko para mag-direct inquiry. Ang requirements lang to avail a unit is 2 valid ID and signed form na pwede namin isend sa inyo via email. And sa reservation fee naman, directly payable kay SMBC. Ang maganda dito, lifetime ownership na rin siya. Pwede nating pag-usapan ang full details ng Gold Residences sa Zoom presentation. Kontakin nyo na kami. By the way guys, this is Ed's Realty Guide PH. My real name is Emily Langkay. I've been working at SMBC since 2013. You can trust me. Follow for more. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel for more real estate investing. Thanks for watching.